Welcome to Kaia's cooking show. Today we're making hot chocolate. First, we heat up some milk. Then, we check if the chocolate's not poison. And then we pour it in the cup.
Is it poison or you think it's good?
And stir.
Yummy. Did we verify it's not poison?
Mm-hmm.
Does it taste okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then oopsie.
That's okay.
There's some stuck at the bottom. I'm in the corner.
That's okay.
Can you get the rest in the cup?
Sure. Go ahead and start the next step. I'll get that in there. What's the next step?
Then we stir.
Yummy.
Until it's brown, like I'm making it.
Perfect. All right. Thanks for watching Kaia's cooking show, and that was how to make hot chocolate.
And then we eat it up.
Yummy. You say thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching Kaia's cooking show.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.